Hi guys, in this video we will continue controlling JetHexa YD app. Check what is robot performance. There are 8 built-in actions, and custom means that you can customize the action. Okay, randomly select one action to make JetHexa move. At the right side of the interface, you can start keep balance. Then, JetHexa will adjust its posture automatically to balance its body when it is placed on a tilted surface. Pay attention, don't tilt the surface too much. Okay, move to the next game, gesture control. Click the left button to start the game, and make gesture with only one hand in front of the camera. When recognizing your finger heart, it will wave its leg. Pay attention, the interval between each round of gesture recognition is 5 seconds. Then you can make a fist. If JetHexa cannot recognize your gesture, you can open your palm and make the gesture again. When recognizing your face, JetHexa will launch forward. Besides this static gesture, JetHexa can also recognize your dynamic gestures. Firstly, you need to open your palm, then only lift your index finger. Next, move your finger left. After that, open your palm again to sign you have finished. After recognizing your gesture, JetHexa will move left.